permission of the board and the principal, the song that I sang, let me give you a gist. Don't laugh, okay? I came onto the stage and I just do the bumps in moon, little bit. One of the judges he jumped. Hey! What do you think you're doing there? This is Sunday school. If you have to sing, you sing a gospel song. I don't know any gospel song. And get off the stage. At least I got a consolation prize of one pencil, which I unfortunately lost on the way. But there is another incident in my life which mark I still bear. How many of you have seen the movie Titanic? Anybody seen the movie Titanic? Yeah, only one boy. Okay. This movie is about a ship that sank in the Atlantic Ocean. Remember? The hero, when the movie was first released, it was very popular. Every boy wants to look like the hero of the movie. Leonardo DiCaprio. He had a long blonde hair, blonde silky hair, very handsome. Every boy, every school boy, they want to become like him, including me. So I had a long hair, which I dyed it blonde. I thought I would look very nice. But from a distance, with my big head, long hair, from a distance I look like an old toothbrush. So I came to school. Good morning, sir. Our science teacher would say, good morning, okay. Second period. Our science teacher came to the classroom. I was sitting in a corner and he called me out. What hairstyle is this? Sir, have you seen the movie Titanic? Oh yes, I have seen it. This is the hero hairstyle. But you see, my boy, do you think this school building is a ship? This school building is not a Titanic. You're not a hero, just a naughty boy. And from his pocket he took out a scissor and he started cutting my hair. And that is why my hair is very short till today. I went home. I was very angry. Without doing something naughty, I cannot sleep. Those days. I went home and I was thinking what to do. Then a brilliant idea came into my mind. Yes, I'll modify my trouser. So I went around the house collecting labels, different types of labels, and I stitched them onto my trousers. Adidas here, Nike this side, Puma, Microman, and I came to school the next day. Unfortunately, after assembly, all the teachers checked our school uniforms, including the principal. And the principal was checking our class boys' uniform. I was standing in the center. One by one he came. Okay, you may go. Okay. And he came to me. Nice trouser. I like it. Please come to my office. My heart started beating very fast. I came to his room and he went to another room. Then he came out with a plastic bag and he gave it to me. Go to the corner there, remove your trousers and wear this. I thought he was giving me new trousers. I was very happy. My trick is working. So I went to the other room, I removed my trousers, I opened the bag, but it was not a pair of trousers, it was a skirt. A girl's skirt, uniform skirt. So I peeped out of the door, hold up the skirt. Sir, this is not a trouser. I said, principal said, yeah, I know. Just wear it. Sir, but I'm not a girl. I know. I can see that you're a boy. Just wear it. If you don't wear it one, I'm going to call your parents and you will be expelled permanently. So I was holding the skirt. All right, sir. So I put on the skirt. And then I came back to my classroom. I sat in the corner from first period to the last. I did not go out, even for number one. But after the last period, the principal came to the classroom. So you have learned your lesson. Don't do it again. No, yes, sir. From that day onwards, I stopped modifying my trousers. I stopped dyeing my hair. Let me forget. This is money. The list I forgot. Yeah. Last day I was talking about dance. I'm going to do it again. You see, there are different types of dance. Hip hop, punk, robot dance. But there are some types of dance which originate from us, okay? There is a dance called Roini Mailan. You have seen this Teachers' Day. On Teachers' Day, every Teachers' Day, you have performed that one. You call it a robot dance, but in fact it is called in Roini Mailan. It goes like this. Then that is called in Hindi Murgi Pakad dance, English chicken catching dance, Roman Roini Mailan. That is not a robot dance, okay? Robot cannot dance. And how do you swim? When you swim like this, correct? Now, take that action. When you clap, you bring your hands together like this. But don't bring it together, just go past each other. Like this. Take the swimming action. Stand a little bit back like this. And you got a rap dance. yo. And that is very simple. If you know how to swim, and if you know how to clap your hands, you can dance. And you don't have to sing also. Just say the words, okay? Thank you, Lord, for this new day. Thank you, Lord, for this new life. And when you forget the words, just say, yo. Yo. So, rap song, hip hop, robot, and all these are very simple. You don't have to worry about it. And there is another type of dance called, this is also from, in Roma, Sabuan Thailand. This is mostly performed by girls, okay? When you take bath, you apply soap on your body, correct? That is Sabuan Thailand. Okay, the time is running out, let me finish up. And I just want to ask one question. Anybody who wants to go to Impal for free? I'll give you one idea. I did it last year. Just don't buy any helicopter ticket, whatever. Just go to Tamenglong District Hospital, pretending you have a very serious problem. Last year I did it. Doctor, please help me. I don't want to die. Doctor said, hey, get an ambulance, take this fellow to Impal. So I went to Impal for free. So whatever problem is serious, they'll send you to Impal. This year I'll do it again. But when I come back, I'll come back in the helicopter. And Chief Minister Biren, he said, go to the hills, go to village. But Doctor said Tamenglong, go to Impal. That is all I have for you today. But not yet finished. I have something to do with Madam. Let me see now.